Hey y'all, here we are. We are at the Lodge Cast Iron Manufactory and their storefront and museum. So this whole area, including this back here, is where they make all the cast iron skillets and pots and different things that we love to use for camping. So we're gonna go take you inside and give you a little bit of an insight on what's inside here. Okay guys, here we are inside the Lodge Cast Iron Museum. We're getting ready to go in. Maybe if the ticket scanner will scan. Hold ticket close to the scanner.
How close do I gotta get? Goodness. Alright, here's yours.
Gotta get really close to this evidently. I gotta make sure the paper's really straight. There we go. Okay, here we go.
It's very cool in here.
Yeah.
All of the things on this.
Yeah, I was gonna say they've got all the cast iron skillets are all moving through. Going through the assembly line. It's very cool. Very, very cool.
Restaurant in here, as well as the actual manufacturing on the other side.
Yep. We sure do. And I think we're going to stop and have some lunch there. It smelled really good whenever we pulled up.
Starving.
And we're starving, so we're probably going to help ourselves to that for sure.
You go there first?
Yeah. There's all their casts for all their pans. That's so cool.
Oh, look at that one.
Tells you what type of pans they are.
That's awesome.
It's so cool. There's a lot of neat stories in here too. So there's a lot of neat things to see in here. We won't show you everything to let some imagination be to your.
That way you guys can.
That way you can come see. But that's kind of what it looks like in the very beginning. So don't hesitate to come on down here. It's absolutely worth the $10 to do the tour, and I've got a feeling that the food's going to be really good too. So.
We'll let you know after.
We'll let you know how that goes, but we'll catch you soon.
See ya.
Hey guys, we just got through the museum and now we sat down to eat some lunch here at the Big Bad Breakfast restaurant that's attached to the Lodge facility, and the food just come out, and let me tell you something, it looks
delicious.
We got the fried potatoes, and I got a smash burger. And the wife, I
got a chicken sandwich and then the potatoes as well.
Absolutely delicious looking. Cannot wait to eat this.
Hey guys, we are headed to Rock Island State Park today. We are gonna bring the doggos with us. So we packed just about everything I think we could think of. We've got their stuff, our stuff. Looks like we're going on a whole nother vacation. So here is the drive out to Rock Island State Park, Tennessee, and we will see you when we get there. So we are here at Rock Island State Park.
Yep.
And we just got to the very first lookout point. We got the doggos with us. And it is gorgeous. We have all kinds of pretty sights, even at the very first entrance of Cheetah Park. We have not even made it 2 minutes into the park.
Probably first quarter of the mile.
Yeah. This is gorgeous. All right, we're gonna move to the next place. We will see you there. Hey guys, okay, so we are here at this gorgeous old building, and it goes all the way up to the front of the entrance of the park. And we just came up on this sign. It is the Great Falls Cotton Mill from 1892 to 1902. This is just a little bit of history from this park. There's so much more inside, and we're gonna dive right in. Hey guys, okay, we're gonna do one of the trails. Looks like they've got some informational stuff here. Looks like it's gonna go down to Caney Fork River Gorge and the Old Mill Trail. This is the start of the trail. It's beautiful. Okay guys, so my feet are soaked. Soaked feet. But it's so pretty. Doggos are coming. They're drinking out the spring water. Alright guys, we have made it down to, I think this is the gorge.
Yeah, this is the gorge.
It was a little rocky coming down, but they have steps that are coming down.
But they are covered in flowing water, so
there is a spring that literally comes straight down into the steps. If you have like serious medical conditions, I would probably refrain from coming down to the gorge.
If you're just not very sure-footed of yourself, yes, don't come down, because you will fall. And if you do bring your dogs down, make sure they're well trained. They will pull, and they will pull you down the steps.
If I was any more pregnant, I would probably say that was a no-go. But we're gonna go ahead and explore around here, and we'll show you some of the gorge down at the state park here at Rock Island. Alright guys, so we are down here. We are about to head back up from the trail. It was a very, very good trail, I think.
Absolutely. So, definitely worth the walk down here if you can make it.
Very, very pretty.
100%.
Hi guys.
Hey guys.
So we are here at Twin Falls. We went out of the like Rock State like actual park, and we went around to the other side.
Other side of the river.
Yep, other side of the river. So the first one that we saw was Greater Falls. This is Twin Falls, and I dare to say the prettiest waterfall I have ever seen.
It is very, very pretty. And it is not hard to get to. You just got to pay attention to the road signs.
Yes.
Because it will sneak up on you real quick. But
they're not very big.
Check
they're
out,
small road signs.
But you got to check out this view.
Here we go.
Look at this view.
Look at that.
Absolutely gorgeous.
Beautiful. Alright, well we're gonna go ahead, and I think we're gonna keep walking. There's this little trail here. See if there's maybe an overlook that we're missing. We kind of came down off the actual path. We took that little like rock way there. So we're gonna see if there's an actual lookout. But other than that, I don't think it can get much prettier than this.
Nope, I don't think so either, but we'll talk to you soon, us and the dogs.
See you soon. Bye.
Hey guys, how's it going? We're here on the Paw Paw Trail, and this is a 2.5 mile hike, and it is a loop trail, so we'll end up right back where we started. But it is a gorgeous trail, and it's got probably, I think, 3 overlooks: Cane Creek overlook, the Gorge overlook, and I was thinking there was one more, but I can't really remember. I'd have to look at the paper. But we're here with the dogs. they're having a blast. And it is a really nice trail. Some ups and downs, a little bit rugged coming in, but not too bad. It's, I would say, a moderate trail, if anything. The cable trail is the one that's the extremely difficult one, which we didn't go to. All right, we'll see you guys soon. Hey guys, here we are at the Cane Creek Gorge overlook, and let me just tell you that this is absolutely gorgeous. And I mean, you are way high up. I'll get down there a little closer and get a little better view, but it's pretty steep coming down here. She's up there with the dogs right now, but it's pretty steep coming down here, but I'll get down here a little closer so you can see. But it is absolutely gorgeous and worth the walk down here for sure. Be careful not to get too close to the edges. I'm pretty far back. I'm about 6 foot back, so I'm pretty comfortable with this. I've done this trail a few times, so I know what to expect. But it is, as you can see, way far down there. But absolutely worth the trip down here, a little detour off the Paw Paw Trail, and it is absolutely worth it. But we will catch you guys at the next stop.
Hey guys. So we are here at the Fall Creek Falls overlook from Paw Paw Trail. We just walked down. The walk down isn't horrible. It's a little bit
it's pretty smooth.
It's pretty smooth. It's a little bit downhill when you actually get to the falls. But this is
the overlook area.
The overlook. It's awfully grown up, so you can barely see it, but the falls are in between this tree.
And the falls aren't going very good today. We've not had a rain or anything so far in the park, so but they said this weekend is supposed to rain some more, so I don't know. Maybe we do the base of the falls trail later on whenever we get a rain and get a real good shot of the waterfall. But yeah, it's pretty grown up here. You know, a lot of down trees from that storm they had like a year or so ago. But that kind of makes it difficult. We had to weave.
There's a lot of going up and over and
we had to weave in and out of a lot of trees and logs and things, but I mean, they've done a pretty good job.
More than I thought we would have to.
Yeah, they've done a pretty good job at chopping up the stuff that's in the way, but
Pregato's over here struggling a little bit. I'm trying, but I'm struggling a little bit.
That's okay.
It's more difficult than I thought it was going to be with going over and around things.
Yeah, there's a lot of down trees in here still, so they pose a challenge for anybody that can't, you know, get up over them real well. So,
how far would you say we are? Probably half.
Probably say we're a mile in, maybe.
Mile in.
Yep. So, I think there's one more overlook, and then the rest of the trail is just trail. So, but we will catch you guys at the next one.